We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 1 of XP25. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 1 cumulative medical. We just increase the size and change its color. Then project description, we have to increase the size and change its color. So in today's video we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 1 cumulative medical. We will solve this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 11, 12, 18, 23, 24, 25. Quite big one. Yes, we have 27 points in today's assignment. Okay, so let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks in today's assignment. So first of all, we will move toward project description and we have to read description carefully so we can get idea what we have in today's assignment. You track your medical expenses each month. You developed a worksheet that contains dates, description, amount billed, and applicable comments. Your health insurance provider details the amount not covered and how much was covered by insurance. You want to create formulas, format the worksheet to improve the readability and copy the worksheet to use as a template for next month. So that was just simply project description. We have read description carefully and we get idea what we have in today's assignment. So let me move toward grade report. Steps to perform instructions. Start Excel, then download and open the file name. This one that we have already downloaded. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So first we have to open our solution file. Okay, it is just getting open. Then we have to click on enable editing. So first part is done and we got a 0 marks, but it's really important that we have to open our solution file. Okay, now we are moving toward a next part. You notice that 3 to 20 2027 vision expenses on a row 10 is a duplicate of the expenses on a row 8. So you will delete the duplicate row. That was just simply instruction about question number 2. Main part is the select and delete row 10 that contain the duplicate vision data. So we have to select row 10, this one, then right click and delete that row and earn 3 marks from there. So in question number 2 we have to select the data row, select and delete row 10 that contain the duplicate value. We have done. Now moving toward question number 3. You want to move this pharmacy expenses of listed in chronological order. Okay, so select and cut a row 11. First we have to select, then cut a row 11, this one, or right click and there is cut option. Yes, then insert cut cell on row 5. Okay, now we have to cut that to on row 5. Where is row 5? Here, select this one or right click and there is option insert cut cell. Yes. Question number 3 is done and we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to select and cut a row 11 that contains this one, this data. Okay, then we have to insert cut cell on row 5. We have done and we have earned 4 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4, you decide to insert a column for additional data. So insert a new column E. First we have to insert a new column E. Select column E, right click and insert. So new column E will be generated. Then we have to type this one as in cell E3. So we just copy this one and paste that in E3 here. Press enter and get result. And we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 4, we have to insert a new column E and type expenses hash in cell E3. We have done and we have earned 4 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. In the new column, you want to create a coding system consisting of a year, a month, and sequentially numbering for the expenses. So type this one in cell E4. First we have to copy this digit, then come on E4 and here we have to paste that one. Press enter. Then now what we have to do next, use autofill to complete the expenses and number to the range A5 to A11. Now we have to autofill that one to A11. Yes, done. And earn 5 marks from there. So in question number 5, we have to type 2027-03-001 in cell E4. Then use autofill to complete the expenses number to the range A5 to A11 and earn 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. After filling in expenses a number, you will increase the column width to display the data. So change the width of column A to 12. Okay, now we have to change the column A width. Select column A, right click, and there is column width, and here we have to in 12. Simply press OK. So column width of A will be increased. Yes. Even though it's not a graded one, but it's really important that we have to increase the width of column A so we can see the data there in column A. Okay, so question number 6 is done. Now moving toward question number 7. The worksheet should have a title above the data. So type March 2027 medical expenses in cell E1. So first we have to copy this line, March, this one, and come on cell E1 here and paste that one that we have already copied. Then we have to merge and center the title over the range A1 to J1. A1 to J1 means we have to select the range A1 to J1, then merge and center. Yes. So question number 7 is done and earned 6 marks from there. So in question number 7, We have to type March 2027 medical expenses in cell E1. Then merge and center the title over the range A1 to J1 and earn 6 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 8. The title the title would look more professional with some formatting. So apply bold green font color and 14 font size to the title cell E1. So we have to work on that title that we have in question number 7 in cell E1. First we have to make that bold. It is already selected. Simply click on bold, so that will be bold. Then next we have to give green font color. Here is font color and we have to give that a green font color, this one. Yes. Then in last part we have to increase font size to 14. Increase font size to 14. Yes. And earn 3 marks from there. So question number 8 is done. After solving question number 8, we get 3 marks from there. In question number 8, we have to work on that title that we have created in question number 7. We have to make that bold, then green font color, and in last part we have to increase its font size to 14, so it must be visible. Okay. So question number 8 is done. Now moving toward question number 9. You will decide to replace a lab with a laboratory to provide more descriptive expenses a name. So find all occurrence of lab, then replace them with a laboratory. We will solve this part and earn 5 marks from there. Then in question number 10, the worksheet contains a spelling error that need to be identified and corrected. So check the spelling in the worksheet and correct all the spelling error. And we will earn 5 marks from there. So question number 10 is done. Same way we will solve other parts. So you may see we have done almost 50% assignment. In today's video, we have done almost 10 to 11 questions we have done. Mean half of assignment is done from our side in today's video. Remember that in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 1 cumulative medical. In start we just discussed project description. After discussing project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1 in which we have to open our solution file. Then we have moved toward question number 2 where we have to select the row 10 that contain duplicate value. We have to delete that row 10. Okay. After deleting that row 10, then we move toward question number 3 where we have to select and cut row 11 that contains the data. Then we have to insert cut cell in row 5 and earn 4 marks from there. Then move toward question number 4. You decide to insert a column for additional data. Insert a new column E, then type expenses hash in cell E3 and get 4 marks. Then in question number 5, in question number 5, we have to type 2027-03-001 in cell E4, then use autofill to complete the expenses number in the range E5 to E11 and earn 5 marks from there. Then in question number 6, we have to change the width of column A to 12. Then in question number 7, we have to in the title in cell E1 and there we have to type March 2027 medical expenses, then merge and center the title the range E1 to J1 and earn 6 marks. Then in question number 8 we have to work on that title and we have to make that bold green font color and 14 font size to the title that we have created in cell E1 in question number 7. Same way we have solved question number 9 where we have to find all occurrence of lab and replace them with laboratory. Then in question number 10 we have to check the spelling in the worksheet and then correct all the spellings and get 5 marks from there. So you may notice that we have solved almost 50% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me, you may simply text me on my email ID, Instagram ID, WhatsApp number. I am available. I will respond instantly, and you will get your file solution file in next 30 minutes with 100% result and a reasonable price. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, accounting, and in just like in English writing, you have if you need help regarding English writing, English literature writing, and if you need help regarding programming, computer programming, and if you need help regarding Java, C++, Linux, textbook project, or you need help regarding Power BI, Tableau. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. You may simply text me on my given email ID, Instagram ID, WhatsApp number. I am available. I will respond instantly, and you will get 100% result in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video, we have discussed XP25 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. We have done almost 50% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.